Hi, my name is Olivia and today we're cooking something particularly Moorish and delicious. It is this Mexican nacho chicken bake with peppers and beans. It is something that everyone around the table is going to absolutely love. It's going to take us 45 minutes to cook, so let's get started. Step 1. Prep the vegetables. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 180 with the fan. Then drain and rinse the kidney beans. De-seed and finely chop the yellow pepper. Peel and finely chop the red onion. And finally chop the jalapeno slices. Step 2. Fry the chicken breast. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once hot, add the chicken breast with a pinch of salt and cook for 3 minutes on each side until golden. Step 3. Add the vegetables. Once golden, add the peppers, jalapeno slices, onion, and cook for 7 minutes further. Add the cumin powder, chipotle powder, smoked paprika powder, and coriander powder, and cook for 2 minutes further. Step 4. Simmer the sauce. Add the garlic powder, dried oregano, tomato passata, tomato paste, chicken stock cube, and the measured water to the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. Step 5. Shred the chicken. Remove the pan from the heat and using 2 forks, pull the chicken until it's fully shredded. Add the drained kidney beans, sour cream and honey and give everything a good mix. Return to pan to a medium heat and cook for 2 minutes more. Step 6. Bake and serve. Pour the chicken mixture into an oven dish. Top with the grated cheese. Roughly crumble the nachos on top and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve immediately. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll enjoy cooking this video, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be delicious and I can't wait to taste it. But if you want to see videos like this in the future, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for next week's cooking. All right, let's try.